What do you want to get?
Which of the run?
Or just in case you forgot, 32 gigabytes of ew. This ew is like a smudge. There's a portable gaming system. What?
That's nothing to do with health.
But guys, Chip and Joel, they'll take good care of you. Talk to you once we get airborne. We appreciate you giving up. But this is early morning.
Hey Jack,
What?
how you feeling?
Gucci.
Ew. So where are we going?
Sushi place part 2.
Part 2. I saw 747s today.
On the ground.
I saw
That's
2.
crazy. Ooh.
Why do you like those?
Give! Oh my god, I just struggled.
Pull.
What do you rate your chicken?
8 out of 10.
Dude, eat that with your hands. What are you doing? Oh my god. You rate your experience.
My experience
I
was
rated
a
a 10.
That's good. Second bowl of edamame. Done. All right.
Over
here we
top,
go.
you said?
Hot.
My hand
Supposed to say grenade in the tank.
Yeah, big ol' fry. You'll be fish.
Give me your number. What's the number? Give me a number.
10. I'm gonna let the little fishy free.
Run out with the plate and dump them all in the sea.
There you go. Eat it.
Ew.
Don't be ew. You want to spit out this.
Go now. Do it.
Eat it.
Whole thing.
Eat it.
Don't ruin the rest of them either.
Into it.
Shove it in there and drink it. That's really the rest of it.
Is that me?
No.
Oh.
Sure.
All right. Who else wants to try it?
I'll try it.
All right.
Oh God.
It's like bubble tea but with blood inside.
There's no blood. Smells like the sea.
Oh.
I'm just gonna eat the whole honking thing.
I
don't like seaweed.
Dude, my
The seaweed's the least of your problems right now, I promise you.
Yeah, I like seafood.
How do you know?
I like frog eggs.
Oh god.
Oh my God.
That's not horrible. But eat the rest of it.
Seaweed's the best part.
You really can't really get seaweed.
I don't know how to open a door. Oh my God. There we go.
I know, keys are not really part of something.
Whoa. Holy.
Oh my god. Chairs?
This is definitely a floor.
Holy moly. Yeah, it is. This bedroom is huge. There's a bathtub in the bedroom.
What? in the world?
Wow, we have a nice view of the pool. I'm going outside. Bro. Ain't no way. Bro! It won't open. There's something that's locking it. Ew, what the? Someone got murdered back here. Ew, I don't want to touch those. Oh, there's a big stick. I see. Got it. Okay. Ah. Florida sunshine. Here's the fit check.
There's somebody that comes here and does braids. You want to get it done?
Happy.
Son,
And sharks.
Nice. And Bucky's hat. Got the Bucky's hat.
Trucker hat.
I got.
Ugly dress.
It's weird. The lights are red at night.
And Crocs.
Where?
This is what you look like right now. That's what you look like. Ready? Yeah. Where are we going?
Pooper Beach. Blizzard Beach.
Pooper Beach?
This turn is like right before the light. It's very strange.
You can't go down slides and do this.
Mood. Are you vibing? Same. This is my cargo. How do you rate it?
This is a 10.
7.
7.
It's pretty good mac and cheese, actually. I'm going to give that like an 8.
An 8.
Hey!
Bro managed to get mustard on his foot. How'd you manage to get mustard on your foot? That's so bad. There he is. Oh my god. Aw. No, not good. That's not good.
Why not?
Wait, it goes out? What? Bruh. Bruh.
What you said.
Oh god. Whoa. I thought it was... Should we go to the bathroom? I want to get squirted with water. This is scary. There's sensors.
Yeah, it takes a second.
Step over the sensor.
Oh, it's here.
That's awesome.
Oh my god, I can do that, but I can't play video. Sprinkler laugh. This is a beautiful
I think I
place.
sprained my leg earlier.
What?
But I popped it back into place in the hot tub. House tour. Big bed.
Uh-oh, someone's here.
Oh god.
POV, you're playing catch. POV.
You're playing. You're playing catch.
Get it. Yeah. Look how good that was. See how good that was? Oh god, my phone's all water now. Woo! Yay! Put some spin on it. Come on. Oh god. Yay! PRV, you're the greatest at catch of all time. All-time catch lover. Catch. I love catch. Catch. I love catch. I love catch. Air drying you. Look at one of those cars. The car. Oh god. The car wash, the car dryer. Ready? I'm gonna smack it out in the air. Ready? Oh, that was really bad. Get it! Oh my god. This will be great in my video.
I'll put like half the hot dog.
Ew, don't chew with, don't eat, don't speak with your mouth. Food.
I give it a 8. Kind of soggy.
I have nothing to review except my Gatorade. Where's my Gatorade? Watched her bag it though. Oh, it's in the milk bag. Shoot, it's in the cart. It's in the back. It's in the back of the cookie. Review. Here we go.
Yep.
Ow.
Yep, it's Gatorade.
Tastes like Gatorade. I give it a 9. Let's go to Ron John's surf shop.
No. I forgot.
I was gonna say.
What is it?
Wings.
Well, I know that, but what flavor?
Buffalo.
Jack is trying some buffalo flavored chicken wings.
10.
10? Really? What do you rate your sandwich?
5.
I got 3 different flavors of wings. I got teriyaki, Korean barbecue, and garlic parm.
Ew.
Didn't ask for your opinion though, bro. Nom, 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 nom. I give it a 6. It doesn't taste much like teriyaki, and it's lukewarm. All right, I'm gonna try Korean barbecue now. Ooh, I like that. Oh, spicy. I'm gonna give that a 7. It tastes really good, but it's spicy. All right, garlic parm. Woo! It's definitely garlic. Give that an 8. All right, food review concluded.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Now I can watch you whip on video. You need to change something in your habits. Oh! Do it straight up. My goodness. You need to change something. Oh, you're gonna beat me. Lame. Oh, of course. Ready for this? Clothing haul. Clothing
Clothing haul. Can I go first because I'm younger?
This is not a game of Monopoly. $5 for a golf ball.
Yeah. Got this guy.
Is that all you
the
got?
platypus. Orange thing.
Whatever.
Orange thing.
Don't touch the table. You literally are.
We got. I smell it. Rare. This is rare.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Literally, it's in a store, so it's not rare. JCPenney's. It's from JCPenney's. No, yes, JCPenney's. How did I manage to get out? Wait. How did I manage to get out of the store with this tag still on? So, I got this bathing suit.
So, I got a bathing suit, like sleigh.
I got this dress.
Butter.
Why are you still in here? What is on your... Oh my god, your feet!
My dogs are dirty.
From Topgolf. I got this shirt. Then from Macy's, I know this is from Macy's because it's a bag that says Macy's on it. I got this skirt. I got this white shirt. And then I got these shorts. I forgot the word. I'm done. We never did a house tour.
Yeah. Come on, do the house tour.
No!
Let's do a house tour.
I'm working on it.
So we got the door.
This is the living room. It has a TV and living area.
The living area.
All right, walking in here.
Oh,
This is our
that's
laundry.
underwear. Don't look at it.
This is the kitchen. This is the fridge.
Yeah.
This is all of this.
compli-
This is the dishwasher. This is the
the
sink.
complicated coffee maker. I forgot the word.
Okay, kitchen. Moving on. You saw the kitchen. This is me and Mother's room. These are all of my my Polaroid pictures are on the ground. Oh my god, they're gonna get ruined. Look how good these are, guys. Look how bad these ones are. Look at these ass ones. Here's the bathroom. Boop. It's kind of messy right now because I took a shower. moving on. This is the bathroom. Hey. Okay, moving on. All right, this is the area where we just did a little haul. Here's the dining room. Right, and then here's our actual living room. This is our living room. This is where I slept last night. This is the
Second bathroom. Second bathroom.
This is the second bathroom. Turning on the light.
I kind of need a pee.
Go take an eat, and I'll finish the house tour. Okay?
No, don't finish the house tour without me. My E will be a
Fine. We have the closet, I'm pretty sure, in here. Oh, there's a walk. Wait. You guys have a walk-in closet and you didn't tell me? How did you not tell me you have a walk-in closet? This is the coolest thing ever. This is the bedroom. I edit in this bathtub. I sit here alone because I choose to. Oh, he going. Oh my god. Bonk. Oh. Oh no!
Good shot.
That was actually good.
POV golfing.
Oh, okay.
POV golf. Uh-oh. Not that way. Oh no. Oh no. Sad. Oh, wind! You dummy. That was my third. That was three.
Do the same thing I do with last year.
Oh. Don't drop it. I'll go too hard.
Wow. That turned out okay.
Splash into my butt and it's salt water.
Oh, I thought that was...
That was a really good bounce. Are you kidding?
Oh my god.
Well, everybody else got two. I'm getting a 7. Ready?
Oh! Oh yeah, you're acting like you've never seen it before. Oh, it's a puddle. Who's in here? Nemo! Dory! Hey! There's Nemo from Dory. Oh, big boy!
So what happened there on that hole?
I sucked. Uh-oh. What the heck? Oh my god. See, that's all it took. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Now it's wet. Now you can actually hit it. Oh my gosh. Come on! You think it's all cocaine?
That's what Jack acts like.
Ready? Got a 0.5 too?
Oh my god. What'd you get?
3. Oh! Good. Oh!
If you closely look at the scores, you can see that I absolutely suck.
Oh my god. You gotta
Boom.
be kidding me! Oh my God! Oh my God! Less crying, more golfing. Come on, man. Wheel. Oh no. Uh-oh. Your wiener's falling out. You just realized what I said?
Yeah. I had to run it back and figure out why Jack was laughing like a moron.